is it? Come on, stay on, buddy. Oh, that's a nice smallmouth. That's a real nice smallmouth.
It's big too.
It is huge. That's a keeper.
It's a big mouth.
That's a nice smallmouth, buddy.
It's a big mouth.
Oh, whoa. Ooh, now that's a nice smallmouth. All right, we don't have a tape measure or anything, but that is definitely a keeper.
Do you have it
But
in your
I'm not
thingy?
keeping it because I don't eat smallmouth, huh?
Is it good? Well,
It's kind of. Huh?
I'm about to give you something.
No, stay there. Just leave it on the side for me. Let me. Oh, wait a minute. Are we still recording?
yep.
All right. We got a beautiful smallmouth. That is a keeper. Out here fishing this AM with the grandchildren. Let's see. Lay it down next to my pole, see how big it is.
You can measure it with your pole.
I don't know. I don't really know how many inches that is. Maybe one time I'll figure it out.